Between faded botanical notes, worn labels and pages browned by time, the memory of lost love still lingered, soft as dried petals and fragile as handwriting nearly worn away. What remained was not only a record of flowers once gathered, but a quiet keeping of beauty, longing, and the things the heart could not quite let go of. Tarnished Blooms is a Moody vintage botanical collection filled with antique neutrals, dark florals, aged papers, rusted accents, ledger textures, tarnished gold with a smoky accents. Each page feels gathered from a forgotten garden archive where pressed blooms and faded memories have been carefully preserved. A collection for journals filled with mystery, remembrance, nature, and the quiet beauty of things time could not erase. Tarnished Blooms is now available in my Etsy shop, and for my EU supporters, you can now find this on Gumroad. The links will be in the description box.